this is the only special conference which brings all psychiatrists of all disciplines and of all preoccupations together into the World Congress of Psychiatry. Psychiatry, more than anything else, first you want to learn from one another, which is quite helpful, and people who come and talk about their experience, they are in fact not only talking, they're also listening, and I think they learn from one another. So that's one aspect. The second aspect, I think, is that in addition to what is written in the papers, there are other news and important aspects of our services which can be discussed, and one can learn from direct contact in people in other countries. Third, I think congresses of this type serve also as an occasion to meet old friends and to make new friends and to sort of feel a little bit more incorporated into the professional body which we are.